Hey there, awesome explorers. Today, we're going on a time travel adventure through British history. Get ready for kings and queens, brave knights, clever inventors, and even some Vikings. Let's jump into our history time machine. Ready? Here we go. Once upon a time, Britain began. A super long time ago. Way before your grandparents were born. The Celts lived in Britain. These warriors had cool blue war paint and made shiny jewelry and sharp swords. But then, boom, the Romans arrived. They built roads, giant stone houses, and even public bathhouses where they relaxed in warm water. Fancy, right? After the Romans packed up and left, the Anglo-Saxons moved in. Then came the Vikings. Imagine scary warriors with helmets and huge boats shaped like dragons. They loved to explore, trade, and sometimes fight. Then, in 1066, a guy named William the Conqueror came from France and took over England. He must have been super strong to have conqueror in his name. Now let's meet some famous rulers. First up, King Henry VIII. This guy was famous for, guess what, having 6 wives. He even made his own church, so he could rule without the Pope telling him what to do. Pretty bossy, huh? Next, Queen Elizabeth I. She was one smart queen. She never got married and said, "England is my husband." She also helped stop the giant Spanish Armada from attacking England. That's girl power. And don't forget Queen Victoria. She ruled for 63 years. Whoa! That's longer than some of your great-grandparents lived. She was queen when the world was changing fast. Trains, factories, and even electricity were being invented. Now let's talk about knights. Knights were like superheroes in armor. They fought battles, protected castles, and followed the code of chivalry. Basically, a rulebook for being brave and kind. Ever heard of King Arthur and the Knights of the Round Table? Legend says Arthur pulled a magic sword Excalibur from a rock to become king. Imagine trying to pull a sword out of a giant stone. How strong would you have to be? In 1215, something big happened. King John was not the nicest king. He taxed people too much and wasn't very fair. The people got mad and made him sign the Magna Carta, a special paper that said, "Hey, kings have to follow rules too." That's why today, even presidents and leaders have to follow the law. Fast forward to the 1700s and poof! Britain becomes the land of amazing inventions. Factories pop up, steam trains start chugging, and machines help people make clothes, tools, and more. Ever heard of James Watt? He made the steam engine super powerful. And Brunel? He built giant bridges and railways. These inventors made the world go zoom. At one point, Britain was so powerful that they ruled lands in Africa, India, Australia, and more. This was called the British Empire. But not everyone was happy about it. Many people wanted their own countries back. And over time, places like India gained independence. One of the most famous leaders who helped India become free was Mahatma Gandhi. He used peaceful protests, no fighting, just peaceful marches. How cool is that? Okay, fun fact time. Did you know London has one of the oldest underground trains in the world? It's called the Tube, because the tunnels look like tubes. And Big Ben. Guess what? That's not the name of the clock tower. It's the name of the giant bell inside. And Britain is home to super cool stories like Harry Potter, Sherlock Holmes, and Peter Pan. Who here loves magic and mystery? Wow, that was an epic journey through British history. From the Celts to the Romans, from knights to inventors, and even magic stories, Britain has had a wild ride. Remember, history is like a giant puzzle. It helps us understand why the world is the way it is today. So keep asking questions, keep exploring, and who knows? Maybe one day, you will make history. Alright, explorers. High five. See you next time for another amazing adventure. Bye-bye.